bata ay may karapatang makapag-aral, makapaglaro, makakain sa tamang oras, magkaroon ng maayos na matutuluyan, sa madaling salita, ng maayos na pamumuhay.
Pero sa panahon natin ngayon, merong mga batang katulad natin na sa mura nilang edad ay nagtatrabaho na.
Kumusta na kayo mga kids? Salamat sa Diyos sa isa na namang mabuting pagkakataong ipinagkaloob niya para magkita-kita tayong muli. At ngayong araw ng Biyernes, muli ninyong makikita ang puso ng programang ito.
Ito ang bahagi ng KNC Show kung saan bibigyan nating pansin ang mga batang maagang namulat sa paghahanap buhay.
At syempre, kung papaano natin sila may aalis dito.
Ngayong hapon, mapapanood ninyo ang buhay ng isang bata na nangangalakal.
Ito pa rin yan sa programang naghahatid sa atin ng karunungan at saya, ang nag-iisang Bible-based kiddie show on TV, ang Kawan ng Kordero.
Halina kayo, tayo ay mag-aral. Sabay-sabay nating alamin ang totoo. Ang kawan ng kordero sa inyo'y nag-aanyaya.
Lahat musika, ihandog sa Diyos ng masaya. Pagkat sa piling niya, tayo'y may pag-asa. Walang hanggang ligaya, tayo na magsama-sama.
The KNC Show will teach us while we grow. Sa tulong ng ating Diyos Ama, isipan ay magliliwanag na. Mapalad nga naman ang bumabasa, katwiran ng Ama ay nauunawa. Kaya't buksan ang Biblia, tayo na't magsalo-salo. The KNC Show will teach us while we grow. Sa tulong ng ating Diyos Ama, isipan ay magliliwanag na. Ang turo ng ating Ama ang siyang dapat lakaran. The KNC Show will teach us while we grow. Sa tulong ng ating Diyos Ama, isipan ay magliliwanag na. The KNC Show will teach us while we grow. Sa tulong ng ating Diyos Ama, isipan ay magliliwanag na.
Verse of the day para sa araw na ito ay Kawikaan 21:2. Bawat lakad ng tao ay matuwid sa kanyang sariling mga mata, ngunit tinitimbang ng Panginoon ang mga puso. Yan ang ating verse of the day para sa araw na ito. Laging tumutok dito lang sa KNC Show.
Macy, I am learning a lot of things in the school, and one of our lessons that amazes me is on how the sun is so important for our normal living on earth.
Yes, Ate Macy, our teacher told us that the sun provides heat for us, and solar energy is responsible for the growth of plants that we need for our food and shelter.
And without the sun, there will be no rain.
Why, Ate Macy?
Because the sun is responsible for the water cycle. Without its heat, no water will evaporate and condense into rain.
Oh yes, we have almost forgotten that.
Well, number 4 has something to do why we have the sun and the heavenly bodies today.
Number 4, but why?
Micah, does it seem unbelievable? Let us read in Genesis 1:14-19. The Bible says, "And God said, Let there be lights in the firmament of the heaven to divide the day from the night, and let them be for signs and for seasons and for days and years. And let them be for lights in the firmament of the heaven to give light upon the earth. And it was so. And God made 2 great lights, the greater light to rule the day, and the lesser light to rule the night. He made the stars also. And God set them in the firmament of the heaven to give light upon the earth, and to rule over the day and over the night, and to divide the light from the darkness. And God saw that it was good. And the evening and the morning were the 4th day." Now, you can see the relevance of number 4 for having the heavenly bodies. The 4th day of creation is when God set the sun, the moon, and the stars in the heavens. And having those heavenly bodies is important for us, like having the sun, because we depend sun for energy.
Oh yes, without it, I may not see those beautiful plants and trees.
And also no rain to water the plants. That should have been awful.
Yes, and without those heavenly bodies, we will live in total darkness.
I would not want that.
Yeah,
You're so funny, kids! Because of the 4th day of creation, we enjoy the benefits of the heavenly bodies. And that's our number of the day. And number 4! Bye!